What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about this workflow tip that allows you to make multiple arrangements to, mess with your beat and figure out what is perfect for it. So let's get right into it. So I have this beat right here. If you already have your beat laid out, what you can do is just click on this arrangement button right here and then do clone. All right, we'll just click the checkbox and it's going to clone this, what you already have. So let's click on arrangement 2 and let's just take some things out. So maybe I want to do a revision and see how it sounded if I did no drums here, maybe brought this in, brought the sample in with a fade as well, take the drums out here, just do some minor changes. You see, as we manipulate this and go back to the other arrangement, it's going to stay the same as what we had it originally. So it does add some workflow sauce and gives you some idea how to structure your beat in a different way. You can also do this with drums. So say you're just now first starting your beat, you can throw up a few arrangements and try different drum loops and patterns until you can get something that works for you. And then if you need to get rid of an arrangement, all you have to do is make sure the arrangement is brought up, go back into that menu under current arrangement, and you can just hit delete. See, now we just got the one. So yeah, just a really quick tip. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.